Love Halloween but want to go beyond playful pumpkins? It's time to take your home from spooky to spine-chilling with a haunted mansion vibe. With just the right balance of eerie elegance, vintage charm, and ghostly glamour, you can transform any space into a timeless house of haunts. Let's unlock some hauntingly beautiful ideas to bring your haunted mansion to life. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What wall decor adds to the haunted effect? Try distressed picture frames with spooky silhouettes or moving eyes. Hang antique keys, old clocks, and Gothic wall art. Torn wallpaper prints add creepy vintage detail. Walls whispering tales? Like this if your frames are freakishly fab. What's the best color palette for haunted mansion decor? Use deep tones like burgundy, charcoal, forest green, and antique gold. Layer them with black and gray for drama. Stick to aged, muted hues to create an old-world haunted feel. Color scheme chilling? Tap like if your palette is perfectly possessed. What's an easy way to haunt the living room? Drape furniture with white sheets or lace, place antique books on tables, and display flickering candles. Add vintage dolls or clocks to complete the haunted drawing room look. Living room looking lively? Like this if you're summoning spirits in style. What finishing touches pull everything together? Add cobwebs across corners, stack trunks or suitcases, and use velvet drapes. Dim lighting, eerie silence between sound cues, and aged decor complete the mansion vibe. Details make the dread, like this if your haunted home is nearly complete. What decor works best for a haunted bedroom? Hang sheer black canopy curtains, add dark floral bedding, and place an old trunk at the foot of the bed. Use candlelight and faded portraits for haunted hotel energy. Sleep with spirits? Like this if your room's hauntingly beautiful. What are some signature haunted props to include? Think vintage phonographs, dusty chandeliers, taxidermy, and creepy statues. Skeleton hands, ravens, and antique dolls add eerie authenticity to any haunted setup. Props with personality? Like this if your mansion's filling up fast. How should I decorate my dining area? Use a long table with black lace runner, silver candelabras, and blood-red goblets. Set antique-style plates and drape ghostly figures around chairs for dramatic effect. Dinner with the dead? Like this if your table's terrifyingly tasteful. How do I set the haunted mansion mood right away? Start with lighting. Use dim, flickering bulbs, candelabras, and vintage-style sconces. Add gauze curtains and creaking sound effects to create instant mystery and atmosphere. Mood lighting secured? Like this if you're crafting the perfect eerie glow. How can I use sound for an immersive haunted feel? Play soft organ music, distant thunder, creaky doors, or whispers. Hide speakers in corners for ambient effects that make the mansion feel alive or undead. Soundtrack to shivers, like this, if you're haunting all the senses. How can I make a ghostly hallway or foyer? Line the hallway with wall sconces, framed vintage portraits, and cracked mirrors. Use flickering lights and fog machines to guide guests into your ghostly estate. Foyer full of fright? Like this if your entry is mansion-level haunted. Can I create a haunted mirror illusion? Yes. Use antique mirrors and fog them lightly, or add ghostly face decals behind the glass. Place them in dim corners to give the illusion of something watching. Mirrors that mystify? Like this, if your reflection might not be alone. Can I create a creepy library or study area? Yes. Stack old books, skulls, and crows on shelves. Add cobwebs, dusty candles, and a vintage desk with quill pens and potion bottles for a haunted intellectual vibe. Library of Lost Souls? Tap like if your bookshelves are haunted. A haunted mansion isn't just decor, it's a whole experience. With thoughtful layers of vintage, eerie elements and ghostly charm, your Halloween setup can feel timeless and terrifying. Let the creaking floorboards, flickering lights, and forgotten corners do the talking. Inspired to haunt in style? Like and check back for more spooky setups.